Pepper King.
It's a beautiful morning, and Papa is cooking some yummy tummy breakfast for everyone.
What's for breakfast, Papa?
For breakfast, sliced off from a well-baked loaf of fresh dough with a generous heap of shredded cheddar, I present to you a simple cheese sandwich.
I love cheese.
Do you want some chutney?
Yes, please. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, and a little bit of... Ma, I put too much pepper.
Oh, don't you like pepper?
Achoo! It's too much.
Well, a few hundred years back, people would give anything for too much pepper.
People would give anything for pepper. But it's just pepper.
Oh no. Back then, pepper was called black gold. It was very valuable. Only kings and queens would have lots of pepper.
Oh!
The Pepper King has the most important thing. Lots and lots of black pepper. He can make the world better. Good to the Pepper King. All the people cheer and sing. Good, can we have some too?
Here you go.
Achoo, achoo. Kings and queens from far and wide came to buy his precious spice.
Kutu, Your Majesty, some guests have arrived.
Tell them to come inside.
Your Highness, I am Queen Key. We have traveled far from across the sea to buy pepper from you.
What can you offer me?
Your Highness, I can give you 10 strong horses.
Nah, I already have Minku.
How about a ship?
What I want is a big chocolate samosa.
Certainly. Papa, make Kutu a big chocolate samosa.
In exchange, the king gave her 3 bags full of pepper.
Chocolate.
Thank you, Your Highness. We will return in winter to trade some more pepper.
And they did return in winter and the summer after that.
I want a Minku-sized gulab jamun.
Queen Key traveled to Kutu's kingdom for 3 years, and every time Kutu would demand a feast.
I want a big caramel dosa.
And Key would leave with 3 big bags of pepper. At the end of 3 years, Queen Key returned with her exceptionally gifted chef for one last time.
Your Highness, this will be our last voyage. It will be the last time we trade. So tell me, what would you like to eat before a final goodbye?
Last trade. Oh. Well then, I would like a very simple cheese sandwich. I love cheese. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, and a little bit of... Ma, could I have some pepper?
I'm afraid we've traded all the pepper away, Your Majesty.
Oh no, I've been a fool. Now I don't have any pepper left.
King Kutu realized what he had done, but it was too late.
Minku, we have to get the pepper back. I need that pepper back.
Too late. It's mine now. Ow!
Minku, go faster. Without pepper, I'm no Pepper King. Come on, Minku. Yes, Minku. Thumbs up, Chili Pop. We did it. My precious pepper. Here, smell this, Minku. Hey, where did my sandwich go?
I thought you didn't want it.